In this video, we'll look at how to evaluate and improve your prompts using Microsoft's Chat Customizations Evaluations extension for VS Code. Rather than guessing whether your prompts are effective, this tool allows you to systematically review your agent instructions against established best practices. Because when working with AI agents, context is both limited and valuable. Although modern models support large context windows, adding more information doesn't always lead to better results. In fact, excessive or poorly structured context can reduce the model's ability to focus on what actually matters. Well-designed prompts help you avoid this. Instead of treating the context window like a catch-all, you're creating a structured workspace where only the most relevant information is included. Let's walk through how to use the extension. Start by installing the Chat Customizations Evaluations extension from the VS Code Extensions panel. Since it relies on GitHub Copilot, make sure you're signed in before proceeding. Once it's installed, open up one of your prompt or any other customization files, like this prompt file. Down in the bottom right, you'll see an Analyze button. When you click it, the extension will scan your file and flag anything that could be improved. The extension will highlight potential issues directly in your code. For example, you may see diagnostic indicators such as these squiggly lines. If you hover over one, it'll explain the issue. You can apply these recommendations with a single click, allowing you to quickly refine your prompt. Now, let's try the same thing with a skill file. Hit Analyze, and it'll look for things like high cognitive load. This typically refers to instructions that are overly dense, ambiguous, or unnecessarily complex, factors that can reduce the model's effectiveness. By clicking Fix Diagnostics, you can generate suggested improvements. Review each recommendation, and if it aligns with your intent, select Keep to apply the changes. Using this workflow, you can continuously refine your prompts and skill files to be clearer, more focused, and more efficient. Over time, this leads to more reliable agent behavior and better overall outcomes. And that's really it. This extension helps you clean up your customization files to reduce noise and make your agents more reliable. Give it a try. You'll probably notice the difference pretty quickly. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more real-world AI tips for software testers. Happy testing!